When it comes to DIY projects, the right tools make all the difference, and that includes choosing the best caulking gun. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, picking the right one can be tricky. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the key factors to consider to make sure you get the perfect caulking gun for your needs. Types of caulking guns. First off, there are two main types of caulking guns: manual and powered. Manual caulking guns. If you're tackling small to medium projects, a manual caulking gun is your best bet. These guns are affordable, easy to use, and work great with thinner caulks like latex or acrylic. There are a few different designs to choose from, like ratchet rod, smooth rod, and dripless. The ratchet rod design helps you apply caulk evenly, while dripless guns stop the flow of caulk when you release the trigger, keeping your workspace neat and tidy. For most DIYers, manual guns are the way to go. Powered caulking guns. On the other hand, if you've got bigger projects on the horizon, an electric or pneumatic caulking gun might be the better option. Powered guns give you more control and power, making them ideal for thicker materials like silicone. They're great for longer, more intensive tasks, saving you time and reducing hand strain. However, they're bulkier and come with a higher price tag. But for larger scale or professional work, they can be a game changer. Key features to consider. Now that you know the types, let's talk about what to look for when choosing a caulking gun. These key features will ensure you get the most efficient tool for your project. Thrust ratio. The thrust ratio refers to the amount of force the gun applies to the caulk. For thicker materials like silicone, you'll need a higher thrust ratio for smooth, even application. A lower thrust ratio works better for thinner materials like acrylic. Pay attention to this feature to avoid frustrating clogs. Dripless feature. Dripless guns are a must-have if you want to keep your work clean and precise. The dripless feature stops caulk from continuing to flow when you release the trigger, so you get a cleaner finish with less mess. For projects that require accuracy, this is an absolute game changer. Ergonomics. Comfort matters, especially for long projects. Look for a caulking gun with an ergonomic handle that reduces strain on your hand. If you're working in tight spaces, a rotating barrel can make a huge difference, allowing you to maneuver the gun without awkward positioning. Ease of use. Manual guns are simple to load and operate, making them ideal for beginners. Powered guns are great for more intensive tasks, but they tend to be bulkier and require more maintenance. Also, think about cleaning. Powered guns may need more attention, while manual ones are much easier to clean after use. Project considerations. Material type. Different types of caulk need different guns. For thick materials like silicone, a high-thrust powered gun is best, while lighter caulks like acrylic or latex are perfect for manual guns. Make sure your gun is compatible with the material you're working with to avoid unnecessary hassle. Project size. Small DIY jobs like sealing a window or fixing gaps around the bathtub, a manual gun is perfect. It's lightweight, easy to use, and gets the job done in no time. But for larger projects, like sealing long stretches of flooring or applying heavy-duty sealants, a powered gun can save you a lot of time and effort. Frequency of use. If you only do DIY projects occasionally, a basic manual caulking gun will probably meet your needs. But if you're frequently working on big projects, investing in a high-quality powered gun might save you more time and energy in the long run. Budget considerations. Manual caulking guns. Manual guns are the budget-friendly choice, typically priced under $20. They're great for smaller tasks and don't require much of an investment. Brands like Newborn and Caulks offer reliable models that are easy to use and built to last. Powered caulking guns. Powered guns are pricier, ranging from $50 to $150 or more. But for professionals or serious DIYers, they're worth the investment. With consistent power and faster application, they can make bigger projects much more manageable. If you're tackling large-scale tasks often, it might make sense to invest in a high-quality electric or pneumatic model. Brands like Milwaukee and Ryobi are great options if you're looking for reliable performance. Maintenance and durability. Manual caulking guns. Manual guns are low maintenance. After use, just clean the nozzle and store it in a dry place to prevent rust. With proper care, they'll last for many DIY projects. Powered caulking guns. Powered guns require a bit more attention. Regular cleaning is important to keep the motor and barrel functioning properly. After each use, make sure to clean out any remaining caulk and check for leaks. With the right maintenance, these guns can serve you well for years to come. Choosing the right caulking gun depends on your material, project size, and how often you tackle DIY jobs. Whether you go manual or powered, having the right tool for the job will ensure a smooth, professional finish.